Hey Unstoppables, welcome to another vlog. So I am riding this TVS Chotu. I'm sorry TVS. So here we do have this TVS XL 100 guys. So let's see what TVS is offering to us. So coming to the front, it's the headlamp. It's of bulb actually. It's the indicators. It's in the bulb form too. It's the mudguard. So here is the logo of this bike. It's the fuel tank. It's the branding XL 100 over here, heavy duty. It's the pedals, side pedals. Here is the side stand. Here is the double stand. Here is the foot pedal too. Here is the suspension. Here is the sari guard. Actually it's not installed right now, so that's what we are getting. So here is the grab grill, back grab grill. So here is the backlight of this bike. It's all bulb guys, no LEDs actually. So here is the radium, actually the reflector. So here is the grab grill too. So here is the silencer of this bike, and here we do have this manual kickstart. It's the manual kickstart, and the foot pedal too. Here is XL 100 heavy duty badging. Here is the TVS badging. So coming to the console, so here is a good space guys actually. So coming to the console, so let's see what TVS is offering to us. It's the key. Let me on the engine. So it starts. So let me show you what TVS is offering to us. So here's the brake. So here is the bulb lights of this bike. Here is the low beam, high beam. It's the indicators. Let me show you. So here is the indicators. So we do have this horn too, nice loud. So here is the trip meter, it's a speedometer, it's a turning lights, turning indicator. Here is the fuel indicator too. It's a key space, and we do have a brake too, front brake. Here is the engine skill switch button. Here is the starter too. Let me show you the silencer sound. So here I am starting. So here is the engine sound, silencer. I forgot, here we do have getting these LEDs too. So as you can see, here are the LEDs of this bike. As you can see, here are the LEDs of this bike. Looks great, bright too. Here are the main bulbs. You can see here is the engine of this bike. It's the 100cc motor. So that's what we are getting. So it produces 4.3 bhp at 6000 rpm at 6.5 newton meter at 3,3500 rpm. So good for all ages actually. It's a lightweight bike. It's just having the weight of 89 kgs. It's so light, everyone can drive this bike. Middle age, young age, all for all ages. It's good actually. They can handle very well. This engine is a 4-stroke single cylinder engine guys. So good power. So coming to the tank, it's a 4-liter tank guys. So that's what we are getting. I hope it could have the 5 to 6 liter tank for long rides, but that's what we are getting in this bike. It's a budget bike, so we can't expect a lot from TVS XL 100. So that's what we are getting. Good finishing actually. For a budget bike, they are giving us a good finishing. All where you can see, they have done a very good job. So here they have written fuel injected. It's a fuel injected motor. All finishes are good. So let me come to the seat. Seat is good. Good cushioning. Long length too. It's long, comfortable for both rider and the pillion. Good finishing TVS has done to this bike. In this TVS XL 100, we are not getting any alloy wheels, guys. So we are just getting this classic tires, classic wheels. So guys, let me drive this TVS XL 100. So let me show you the TVS XL, how it performs. So guys, let me ride this TVS XL 100, guys. Let us show how it performs. So let's go. Feels so comfortable, guys, as you can see here. Good feel. TVS is offering a great experience right now. So let's go to the top speed. So good suspension, as you can see. It has good suspension. I thought it would not be a great suspension, but it feels good. The engine sound too feels great. So guys, let's go in the top speed as much as possible. So let's go. Guys, pickup is so nice actually. As you have seen, pickup is good. This TVS XL 100 can give you about 67 km per liter. So that's nice actually for a budget range scooter. So that's what you are getting. XL 100. This version is iTouch start, guys, as you can see. So this iTouch version gives you the 5 colors: mineral purple, blue, red and green and black versions. So they are offering a good colors, 5 colors that everyone likes. Good coloring. So guys, this TVS XL 100 price starts from 43,455 rupees, guys. That's almost 44,000. So we are getting a good budget bike on this price point. So Unstoppable, this was the walk around and full overview and the drive of this XL 100. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. So let's meet in the next video. Take care, guys. Be unstoppable.